Hello, YouTube. I lost the audio to this first clip, so here I'm making a clamp rack, and I'm just here panning around showing you all my clamps that I have, and showing you that I have a couple Rockler clamp racks, but this time I decided to build my own. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. So here I'm gluing up two pieces of half-inch plywood so I can put for the corner braces. Got all the holes cut out for the clamps there. So let's wait for that to glue up, and then I'll be back at it again tomorrow. So there, I got the clamp rack all installed. Turned out pretty nice, not too shabby. I'm thinking I might put a spacer block in the back so that way they don't hang so far forward, but I don't know. I guess it doesn't really bug me, but there you go. Another project in the books. Thank you. Hope you like and subscribe, and if you got any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.